In order to buy Nvidia stock on Robinhood, make sure you open up the Robinhood app and sign into your account. If you don't have one, please create an account and verify your identity. It will take a couple minutes and you may need to upload documents like your ID, your passport, etc. Anyways, you will need to also add funds over on your Robinhood account already. Now, once you made your account, it is now time to purchase Nvidia. So in order to purchase Nvidia, go over here to the stock option, then go to the search bar, then type in Nvidia right over here. You should be able to go ahead and find it. Then go ahead and press on trade just like so, and then press on buy, and then from there you're able to go ahead and select how much Nvidia you would like to purchase. So let's say we wanted to purchase $10 right over here. All we need to do is we need to select on that, then we need to swipe up to submit. Now you will need to have funds on your Robinhood account in order for this to work. Then go ahead and press on done, then go ahead and press on done just like so. And just like that, we were able to buy some Nvidia stock. Now keep in mind that you will need funds in your account in order to actually purchase Nvidia. So please be sure to add funds, and you can add funds using a debit card or anything like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.